Let me share with you 7 superb credit cards that offer cell phone insurance. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Street Kiwi Show. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. And if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about 7 marvelous credit cards that offer cell phone insurance. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, please let me acquaint you with our evaluation approach. We use a very rigorous evaluation methodology when it comes to categorizing, when it comes to studying all the credit cards that we review on this show. Check this out. All right, let's jump into the ranking here. Number 7, we have Uber credit cards. This is great. Our score is 8.5 over 10. This is great for frequent rideshare users. So the rewards are fantastic. You have 5% back in Uber cash on Uber purchases, including rides, Uber Eats orders, and jump bike and scooter rides. 3% back in Uber cash on restaurants, bars, hotels, and airfare. 1% back in Uber cash on all other purchases, and there is a deductible of $25, and the cell phone insurance is fantastic. So this credit card will actually cover everything you want in terms of your credit card, in terms of your cell phone insurance. In some states in the United States right now, it is the card is temporarily closed to new applicants, but for existing cardholders, it still serves up big rewards on Uber spending. And it also offers supplemental cell phone coverage when you pay your monthly bill with the card. And the card covers damage to or theft of your phone that's not otherwise covered by another policy, up to $600 per claim, with a maximum of 2 claims and $1,000 per 12-month period. Number 6, we have the Deserve EDU MasterCard for students. And this is great for students, as the name implies, and our score 9 over 10. And what we love with this card is that the rewards are 1% are very cool. 1% unlimited cashback on all purchases. You have a sign-up bonus of that depends upon your credit worthiness. There's no annual fee. The APR is $18.74 variable, and there is a deductible of $50. So the cell phone insurance that you have with Deserve EDU is fantastic because it stands out. This credit card stands out as a credit card that doesn't solely rely on the traditional FICO scoring model. The issuer has its own underwriting standards. So as a student credit card, it actually ups the ante by offering secondary cell phone insurance when you use the card to pay your monthly bill, and coverage of up to $600 per claim for a maximum of $1,000 per 12-month period can go a long way for a damaged or stolen phone. So much can happen to a phone on a college campus or in the Fargo finals week, right? This way you can put your money towards books or pizza or whatever. Number 5, when it comes to credit cards that offer cell phone insurance, we have the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. This is a business card. This is great for business owners. And our score 9 over 10. And the rewards are fantastic. So you have 3 points per dollar on the first $150,000 spent on travel and select business categories each account anniversary year. And you have 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. And in terms of the sign-up bonus, you can actually earn 100,000 bonus points after you spend $15,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. And there's an annual fee of $95. The APR, the ongoing APR, fluctuates between 15.99% to 20.99% variable. And there is a deductible of $100 when it comes to cell phone insurance. And you can get up to $600 per claim in cell phone protection for damaged or stolen cell phones when you use the Inc. Business preferred credit cards to pay your monthly cell phone bills. And coverage is actually supplemental to your provider's insurance or other qualified insurance. And the coverage also extends to employees as long as they are listed on the monthly cell phone bill. And the benefit covers up to $600 per claim with a maximum of 3 claims and $1,800 per 12-month period. Number 4, we have the Navy Federal Credit Union and Rewards credit card, secure credit card. And this is great for those with no credit or poor credit. Again, this is a secured card. Our score 9.5 over 10. Fantastic card. You can earn 1 point per net dollar spent to redeem for cash, gift cards, or merchandise. There's no annual fee, and the ongoing APR is 18% variable, and the deductible here is $50. When it comes to cell phone insurance, the Navy Federal Credit Union and Rewards Secure Credit Card is a secured card, right? So it's meant for those looking to establish or repair credit. So while you're doing so, you can also get supplemental cell phone protection for stolen or damaged phones when you pay your monthly cell phone bill with the card. Coverage varies depending on the type of card you choose during the application process, and this card can be issued as a Visa or a MasterCard. And the Visa covers up to $250 per claim and a maximum of $500 in a 12-month period. The MasterCard covers up to $600 per claim, $1,000 maximum in a 12-month period. In addition to meeting the traditional credit card application requirements, you also have to be a member of Navy Federal to qualify, because this is a credit union. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. I'm very happy to still have you with me today as we are reviewing the 7 superb credit cards that offer cell phone insurance. We have number 3. We have the Wells Fargo Propo American Express card, 9.5 over 10. This is our score, and this is best for everyday expenses. The rewards are pretty cool here. You have 3 points per dollar spent on dining out or ordering in, 3 points per dollar spent on gas stations, ride shares, and transit, 3 points per dollar spent on travel, including flights, hotels, home stays, and car rentals. And then you have 3 points per dollar spent on eligible streaming services, and 1 point per dollar spent in non-bonus categories. In terms of the cell phone insurance, the deductible is $25, and this is not the only Wells Fargo credit card that offers cell phone insurance, but it's among the issuer's best overall cards with a generous welcome offer and rich ongoing rewards and perks. Among them, pay your monthly cell phone bill with a card and you qualify for up to $600 per claim and a maximum of $1,200 in a 12-month period for a damaged or stolen phone. Wells Fargo's cell phone insurance policy serves as supplemental coverage that can potentially cover costs that any existing insurance company doesn't. Number 2, we have the U.S. Bank Visa Platinum Card. Our score, the perfect score, 10 over 10. This is best for 0% intro APR. And in terms of, you have a deductible of $25. And so in addition to having one of the longest 0% APR period around, the U.S. Bank Visa Platinum Card covers your primary cell phone and additional lines in your plane up to $600 per claim for a maximum of $1,200 per 12-month period. So simply pay your monthly cell phone bill with the card and you'll be covered for damage or theft starting the next month. If you already have your own insurance, this benefit will reimburse the deductible portion required by that plan. That's fantastic. All right, folks, when it comes to cell phones, when it comes to credit cards that offer cell phone insurance, the best, in our view, at the moment, number 1, drum roll, number 1, with a perfect score of 10 over 10 is the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. Fantastic. This card is best for rewards optimizers, folks. The rewards are just fantastic. You can earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories that change every quarter. Of course, you have to activate 5% back on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 5% on qualifying Lyft services through March 31st, 2022, and they are thinking about even extending that to 2025, March 31st, 2025. You have also you can earn also 3% back at restaurants, including takeouts and eligible delivery services, 3% back at drugstores, 1% back on all other purchases. And when it comes to the cell phone insurance, you have a deductible of $50, and the Chase Freedom Flex earns rich rewards in rotating and fixed bonus categories, but it has the potential to get complicated. So you have to activate bonus categories every quarter, and also remember to stay on top of them to get the most from your spending. And the card also provides generous intro offers and secondary cell phone insurance. So to qualify for the cell phone benefit, use the card to pay your monthly cell phone bill. And the coverage here is the up to $800 per claim for a maximum of $1,000 per year for a damaged or stolen phone. One thing I also want to mention here is that there is a welcome offer. You can earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months from account opening. And for new cardholders only, you can earn 5% cash back at grocery stores for the first year on up to $12,000 in spending. This is a card that's well-rounded. This is a card that has no annual fee. This is a card that pays you to use it. This is a card that gives you a lot of perks, including cell phone insurance. So this is fantastic. All right, folks, this is it for today's conversation. I really appreciate your help here and your attention also. And let's just quickly recap the 7 fabulous credit cards that offer cell phone insurance. Number 1, you have the Chase Freedom Flex, score of 10 over 10. Number 2, the US Bank Visa Platinum Card, score of 10 over 10. Number 3, we have the Wells Fargo Propel American Express Card, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have the Navy Federal Credit Union and Rewards Secure Credit Card, 9.5 over 10. Number 5, the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have the Deserve EDU MasterCard for students. We have a score of 9 over 10. And number 7, we have the Uber Credit Card of 8.5 over 10. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.